Imagine being able to hear your documents read out loud with crystal clear voices that make it easier to absorb information, catch errors, and enhance your overall reading experience. This is now a reality thanks to Google Docs' latest feature, text-to-speech with Gemini integration. But here's where it gets interesting. This feature is not just about listening to your documents. It's about revolutionizing the way you interact with your content. And this is the part most people miss: the potential for improved accessibility, enhanced learning, and increased productivity. So, let's dive in and explore the details of this exciting new feature. The rollout begins on August 18th, 2025 for rapid release domains, with full deployment within 3 days, followed by scheduled release domains starting August 25th, 2025. But what does this mean for you? And how can you make the most of this innovative feature? To access the text-to-speech functionality, users can navigate to the Tools menu, select Audio Settings, and click on the Listen to This tab option. The floating player interface allows for easy control over playback, with features like content duration display, position adjustment, and adjustable playback speeds. But that's not all. The feature also includes a range of voice options, including Narrator, Educator, Teacher, Persuader, Explainer, Coach, and Motivator, each with its unique characteristics and use cases. For instance, the Educator voice is optimized for instructional content, while the Persuader voice is designed for sales materials. This level of customization is a game changer for content creators, marketers, and educators who want to make their content more engaging, accessible, and effective. But here's the controversy. Some users might be concerned about the limitations of the feature, such as its current restriction to English language content and desktop platforms. Others might wonder about the potential impact on their workflow, or the implications for document sharing and collaboration. So we want to hear from you. What do you think about Google Docs' new text-to-speech feature? Do you see it as a valuable tool for improving accessibility and productivity? Or do you have concerns about its limitations and potential drawbacks? Share your thoughts in the comments below. As we explore the features and benefits of this innovative technology, it's essential to consider the broader implications and potential applications. For example, the text-to-speech feature could be a powerful tool for language learning, allowing students to listen to and practice pronunciation of words and phrases in a more engaging and interactive way. It could also be used to enhance document accessibility for users with visual impairments or reading difficulties, providing a more inclusive and equitable learning experience. But what about the technical implementation details? How does the feature work? And what are the underlying technologies that make it possible? According to Google, the text-to-speech implementation leverages Gemini's natural language processing capabilities to generate clear, natural-sounding voices. This represents a significant technical advancement over traditional text-to-speech systems, which often produce robotic or monotone audio output. The integration demonstrates Google's broader strategy of embedding AI capabilities throughout its productivity suite, with a focus on practical utility and real-world applications. So, what's next for Google Docs and the text-to-speech feature? As the company continues to develop and refine its AI-powered tools, we can expect to see even more innovative features and applications in the future. Perhaps we'll see expanded voice options, additional language support, or even more advanced features like sentiment analysis or content suggestion. The possibilities are endless, and it's exciting to think about the potential implications for content creation, collaboration, and productivity. In conclusion, Google Docs' new text-to-speech feature with Gemini integration is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with our content. With its customizable voices, adjustable playback speeds, and advanced natural language processing capabilities, this feature is a game changer for content creators, marketers, and educators. So don't be shy. Share your thoughts. Ask your questions. And let's start a conversation about the future of content creation and collaboration.